Today, guys, we're gonna play Zombie Tower, but it's hard mode.
And we already finished the other one, so
We already finished the app, so it won't be long, guys.
yep. And we gotta play extreme. Bro, why?
Mala, go click the health recharge.
Why, Martin?
Okay, defend yourself, but I'll go up.
Why, brother Martin?
Teleport to checkpoint.
Why, brother?
Teleport to checkpoint.
Oh yeah, I'm almost at 3,000.
Okay, do you have enough? Okay, you're almost at 300. Kill them. Mala, you have 2 weapons. Mala, you have solo.
Aray ko, Kuya, help me.
Wala, check mo yung mga front mo. Ako sa baba. Mas marami sa baba eh.
Okay, you gotta revive me.
Does that mean you're going home? Maybe, but my parents are usually here late, so maybe we can still leave. No, I want to go and I want to hang
What
out.
the?
Okay, so let's go.
Wait, I could buy the barricade.
Bye. Defend yourself as soon as possible.
You guys want to come with?
Can you defend yourself
Oh,
fast?
Kuya, baba.
Ano nangyari?
Okay, I don't even know.
Bro, there's literally everything.
Teleport to checkpoint. Okay.
You said we will be your parents.
Aray
I'll
ko.
be mom, and then this will be dad.
I don't know if I can
I'm
have a son.
almost
Maybe
at
also I
0.
cannot. Are we playing family?
Come on.
Family?
You into family?
Yeah,
My
so
health
it's gonna be
is
the dog.
on the line right now.
I can be the dog.
Kuya, kill the zombies right in front of me. What are you doing?
Go kill it. I'm going killing the zombies
Aray ko!
on back of me. Can you kill them with yourself? Because I'm killing the zombies on the
About,
back.
I just literally.
Sissy dog. How about that?
What happened to him?
I'm a dog. Dogs.
Aray
Go
ko!
give his butt to my face. Ew, this is nasty.
I can't wait to grab my dog.
We're gonna take you guys with us. Nasty.
Okay, let me just.
Okay, come on,
Are you
puppies.
this
We're gonna go get some
Are you
ice
that?
cream.
Bro, I'm not suck.
You
I
are
do not suck at
Actually, the
platform.
dogs if we're gonna play family.
Can I buy it now?
Yeah, one of them was coughing. That was gross.
Finally, I'm asking how
Okay, I open the barricade.
I'm a dog.
Finally.
Okay, check. Go. Teleport to checkpoint.
Don't worry about my dog. Sorry about him. We just wanted to get
Go
some
teleport to checkpoint. Just
Where are your parents?
What?
Oh
Here's
my
your
gosh,
checkpoint.
wait.
You're a
You're not
child.
funny.
Hold on, I'll handle this.
You
Don't
need
even worry about it.
upgrade.
You listen to me. I'm not even.
Wala, we don't need it. We don't need the upgrade.
What? I'm not.
No, we don't.
Just a little body.
Mala, there's gonna be so much zombies. We're just stalling for more zombies, and we're gonna have a trouble time killing all the zombies.
Okay,
My
this
sissy. Okay, and if you say that again, yeah, you can. I'm just letting you know that it's not gonna be very nice for your ugly face. It's gonna be more ugly.
Go kill the person on top. I'm gonna kill anyone in the down.
Do you have money? Do I have money? Well, obviously I have money.
Oh yeah, help, bro.
I'm killing everyone who's on the bottom, bro.
That counted the money, Shady. I need your help. Your butt's on. I need you to distract the workers so I can steal.
Go. Why there's so much zombies? Let's summon. Summon na natin, kuya.
Yeah, over there.
You want to? Okay, let's summon.
Go.
Give me this ice cream. Look, I'm eating your popsicle on the table.
No, stop it. Hey,
Summon.
What was that?
Summon. Mala, merong heart recharge.
Kuya!
Mala, merong health recharge. Go to health recharge.
Sorry, too bad. Get back here. Too bad.
Super weapon upgrade.
Okay, I'm summon it.
Wait, so this is the house we're gonna live in? How did you even afford something?
He's out.
Mala, go on top the trash can.
Why?
Go on top the trash can.
Okay, so it's okay then. Let's go, puppy. This is really cool. I go home.
Spell Jenna. What the frick? I
Go on
gotta
to-
use my August gun. Everyone, you listen to me. You don't die, then we be good. Aray, why did I just glitch?
Mala, go down in the red zone so you're safe from the boss.
Why did you color like that?
Red zone, alright.
Kahit anong zone so you can be safe from the boss.
Over
So you can have this, and then you can have all the rest of my life.
LP, brother Mo. I'm bleeding out. Oh man.
Shady, we could just
You're on your own, buddy.
for you.
Where you at?
Die.
Gosh, let's must it.
I'm pretty sure how the sleeping arrangement goes. So,
Shoot him, bro.
Bobby. Where do I go?
We all have to sit up here.
I don't think we would fit, but
We're
okay,
outside the freaking map.
I'm just gonna sleep like this.
Okay, well you enjoy that.
Well, if you guys want to come see my lab, the secret is
It's not the lab right
right
now.
next to the
I told you we have to train the gun.
Oh, I have enough.
Basement? Holy smokes.
We had this renovated by the people that worked on our kitchen.
Go, go, go before you die.
You build it yourself.
I put it on my mom's car.
Security out there.
Here we go.
I think my mom is.
Oh, there
She's
you
the
go.
number one selling author.
Oh my goodness.
What book did she make? She made Judy Jones series.
What? I don't have money.
I know it's just good. I like
We have so many first things to
That is not super hard. That's
Like, bro,
Oh.
why did you do that? It's literally, we're not in
Oh,
this
you
one.
actually made all this?
Well, I
Wait,
had
there's
to
a
buy a lot
Discord?
of the items, but I did make this cute.
This thing is sick.
Please be careful though. I can't
Oh
afford to
my
give
God.
you stuff because it's not my money.
Actually, we're actually making this not just
No, no, no,
It's called regeneration.
Did you know that I also leave? I'm doing something in my
Oh, yeah, let me see. Let me see.
I don't know how to that.
Say please!
Ini bro natin.
He always makes exploding stuff, but she has this security code.
Go, go, go.
I don't deal 100 damage per second.
Hey, Shady, I need to speak with the doctor.
Bro, it's literally 23 million health.
Now I need to
Yeah, I'm
speak with
going to
my
sleep
dad.
because we are boring to
You know
talk.
how we're playing family?
Good night, guys.
But it was fake, so how do I make that real?
What you'll be seeing boys talking about
Yeah,
now.
I'm thinking about my future. If I like her, how do I tell her that?
Oh my god, this guy has 6 million health left.
Oh no, I was just playing around. It was like that. Do the anxious dog circle. Why? Dude, just help me. What do I do? You just bring her to a special spot outside like a park and you just tell her, okay, what if I just do it in the front yard? Yeah, okay. So that's gonna work if I pretend the dog's stupid. Oh, I don't care. I just cannot have you guys in here. I need to be alone. Excuse me?
Oh, welcome back. I waited for you.
Okay, well, I need to speak with you outside then.
Gosh, I was getting another divorce.
What?
That's what the parents do in the game.
Well,
It's
no.
all my
I
life.
need to speak with you outside because we cannot do it around everybody else. Okay, you got me?
Yeah, why are you going outside?
Well, because I need to tell you something a little important.
Are you done, Mela? You
Well,
here?
it's
Mela?
not really a
Mela?
secret. It's just something that I need you to know.
What is it?
Mela, let me see you. Where you at?
I'm worried.
Dead. You think? Yeah, that was fun. I'm gonna keep my llama
Okay, now let me go to extreme.
I hate that thing.
Oh, Dad, how did you find me here?
There you are. Oh my goodness.
Back to lang.
You disappeared on this
I'm sorry. Well, just give me 5 more minutes.
Go click it.
No, we gotta go home.
I just want you to know.
Get in the car.
Hey, Dad, stop it. Are you serious?
Let's see you tomorrow.
I need to talk to her. Hey,
Goodbye.
Mom, you ruined my life.
Oh, you won't be mad at it.
Okay.
If you want to watch more videos,
Oh,
click on the
those
screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Passion.
Bye, guys.
And super hard
I should
win.
need new comic books.
Where are you there? Oh, you have a super hard win. So go to extreme. Go to extreme. Guys, I'm gonna play extreme. I'm gonna buy a loadout now.
MMGM helps support higher intelligence for your A+ child.
750.
Oh my god. I can't try this right now. You know, I'm gonna try to ignore it. I'm gonna
And there's one
What
police
is that?
Okay, let's farm a lot of people. Cause we are no, this is hard mode. Okay, I'm gonna eat some food that's very disrespectful.
Yeah, I'm going to sleep. Good night, everybody. I should I say good day. Good day.
Mala, what is? Oh my god.
Yep.
Okay, we're here.
I'm already going first. Because I said so.
Oh, 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 oh.
This is not your house. This is my house. I need Mia, I gotta go get Mia's house. She knows
Oh yeah, I'm literally at the top.
What's in your hands?
Join.
Hold on, put that thing down.
Yeah, you had a baby at your front porch too. I don't think
Go, go.
What is that? That is not a baby. Okay, let's go
Go, go,
for a second. We're gonna work this out.
go.
Where is that guy? Get away! Get away! He got in! He's in here! Hold on, Neil, open the door! Open the door! Hold on, I'll deal with this. I don't even know what you are. I can't even read your name.
Okay, so
Win, double, Berta,
go, go.
Mala, you know what? Let's skip all of this.
I don't have time to do this to me right now.
Defend yourself while I summon the boss and kill it.
Get away!
Ow.
Okay, Mala, you're gonna spectate me. And I know you're gonna die. Let me summon the boss.
Okay, we gotta figure out what's wrong with this.
Yeah, about that, I'm so alive.
Try to defend yourself, alright?
And never mind, I'm bleeding now.
What do you mean?
Revive me, modern.
Bro, I'm killing the bosses. You just spectate me. Kahit dead ka, di ba? Ano na ano ka rin, na win ka pa rin.
Bro, I'm gonna, okay, I'm gonna go this way.
Guys, I'm alone now. My last currently dead.
Currently dead, so
You have all 30 million XP, HP. It's gonna be a long time. Hop dodge.
hear that? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I'm very low.
Yeah, maybe she's getting some like milk or something.
Yeah, true. Also, it's pronounced milk. Yeah. No, milk. Oh my god. Let's go to the grocery store. Usually moms are always at the grocery store. They need to do like shopping for their babies.
Just kidding, guys. I don't have any payload, but
Is there
feeling kind of sick.
Baby. Hold on. Give me some blocks.
Okay.
I have an idea. Okay, perfect. That can be
You did don't keep it
yeah, well, I need to do something real quick, okay?
And happy and yo, clap your hands.
Out here with
And
this
happy
baby.
and yo, clap your
Anybody out here? Hello? Hey, man, get down from there. Sorry, Clyde. We're just trying to find some
Alright,
carrots
cool.
of whoever this kid is.
Alright.
We got sent these two
Da.
no replacements.
Yeah, wah, 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 da. Yeah, wah, wah,
Yeah, man, we
wah,
just switched jobs for
da.
the day.
Yeah, wah, wah, wah.
I hear Juliet. Oh, hey, baby. Man, I love when she calls me that. If you're here, then where's Juliet? She at the movie theater. Really? We switched jobs for the day. Oh, well, that's weird. Anyways, have you seen these kids' parents anywhere? Ah, man, I haven't seen
I'm
them.
done.
Space. Do you see any mother?
I'm so done.
Kind of look like the father.
La, la, la,
I look nothing like this. Food drew on the table. Hey, sorry, Clyde. Contain your kids. Contain your kids. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't know they were gonna do that.
Yeah.
Oh man, okay.
Come on, come here.
Anyways, you have no idea where this kid's mother could be.
Come here.
Her mother's probably a hooligan.
And okay.
Dog animal. But watch this. You can't do it. Okay, Clyde is
Let's back to lobby.
here, baby.
Hindi mo nakita. Oh, hindi nakita naman ako ng ginawa ko. Yeah. Okay. That was so fun. One win. Mila, do you have one win?
Hey, well, is there any chance that you have
Tops. Okay, let's go do another
If
one.
you wanna see,
Let's do another one. Another.
I need important sleep.
I need to sleep. I need to eat too. Okay, let's.
Do not record my while. If you
Of
wanna
course.
see,
Okay, let's see more. Like and subscribe. Bye.